Hi, I have just been thinking how fun it would be to get a hippopotamus for Christmas. Wouldn't that be funny? So let's give ourselves one right now. I'm going to ink him up right now. There's his little eye. Hello, little hippopotamus eye. And here's the top of his head. I'm using a felt marker. Oh, need to put his mouth in. Here we go. Oh, you're such a funny hippopotamus. And his nostril. And his little ear. Have to have an ear. And his little chubby neck. And his jaw. Isn't he funny? Oh, wouldn't that make you happy if you went into your Christmas room and saw a hippopotamus? Here are his toenails. Hello, hippie. One leg, one foot. Does a hippopotamus have a foot or a paw? What would you call it? Boom, bitty, boom, bitty, boom. That's for sure. He would come clumping along. And since he's a present on Christmas, he came in a box, right? Let's see. Here's our box. A Christmas package. Can you imagine how big that would have to be? Huge. Here's our box. And here's the side of the box. And the side of the box. And the other side, can you see what I'm doing? Putting our hippo in a big old box. What would his name be? Who knows? You'll have to think up a good one. There we go. And of course, we've already taken the ribbon off. So here's the ribbon on the side. Ooh, big old hippo. Is he a baby hippo or a big hippo? Who knows? And here's the ribbon dripping off that side. And the ribbon on this side. Because he's a messy package opener, I'm sure. He probably just jumped right out of that box. Okay, we need a bottom on our box. That would go right along here. And of course, here's the top. Dun da da. Because he just opened right up and popped out. Top of the box. What fun! Oh, I love our little hippo. Here's his backside. And of course, the tree is behind him. Because this is our very own made-up Happy Christmas, right? So we can put our tree anywhere we want it. This is our world. Our Christmas world. And we can make it just as happy as we want it. There we go. And here's the stand back there for Christmas. Oh, look! Isn't he fun? Okay, let's paint. I think that I want to make a magenta gray hippopotamus. Oh, he's going to be a pink hippo. What do you think? La la la. Oh, goodness. Is he just the most fun in the whole world? I think I love him already. Hey, hippo. I'm just going to color him in so quick. Now, since he's pink, we won't paint his toenails because he's already pink. Oh, look at that. Is that fun? And here's this. I can hear my dog barking. He must think it's fun too. He must think it's fun. Why don't we give him gray toenails? Shall we? So, for gray, we'll just make light black. There we go. Oh, he's so cute. And should we give a red color to our ribbon? Yes. I'll just answer that for us. Yum, yum. How fun. Quick and easy and happy. I think this is a happy hippo that came to visit me this Christmas. Happy Hippo. Maybe we should name it Happy Hippo. Happy Christmas Hippo. Oh boy. Good rich color over here. Nothing makes me happier than rich color. Let's add some more. We'll make it even rich. More rich. More rich. There we go. Let's kind of give him a little red back here. And we'll make this little mouth have a little red along here. Because he's so cute. A little red inside his ear. Only that wouldn't have been there, because that's the back side. And now, let's give him a blue eye. Where's my best blue? Here's a good blue. He's a blue-eyed hippo. Hey, blue-eyed hippo. And we need a star to be yellow. Bright yellow. Well, did you ever think that you would be painting a Christmas hippo? I bet you didn't. Surprise! And now we're going to paint our Christmas tree in. Here we go. Lovely. It's a beautiful tree. Great shape. We picked it out ourselves, didn't we? We made it all by ourselves. There we go. Now, that's not quite green enough, so I'm going to bring a little bit more green into that. Just drop that rich green color into the water. There we go. I got out of line. Imagine that. Silly me. And here we go over here. Oh, that's so rich. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, yep. Now we've got our tree established. He's so darling. Now we need to color his box. What color should we make his box? This is a cool color. This is a warm color. This, we're going to call that a hot color. And our bow is a hot color. Oh, this is so difficult to decide. Let's see. Why don't we give him a brown box? What do you think? Just a little bit of color on that box. Just a little bit. Oh, I do like my hippo. Happy hippo. That would be a real surprise under your Christmas tree to see a hippo, wouldn't it? Do you have a big Christmas tree or a teeny tiny pretty little bitty one? Do you draw your Christmas tree? It's fun to change. Sometimes it's fun to have a big tree, and sometimes it's fun to have a little tree. Make little teeny tiny ornaments. Okay, here's the top of our box. Happy hippo. Just a happy old hippo. This has really been fun. Now we need to make our base for the tree have a little color. Let's give that a blue. Just like his eye. Oh my goodness. I bet you never dreamed you'd be painting a pink hippo for Christmas underneath your tree. And here we go. Now that was fun. I had a wonderful time doing this. I hope you've enjoyed it. We need to make that a little bit more rich. Okay. What do you think? Are we done? Almost. A little more blue there. Oh, that makes me so happy. Okay. I think I want to put some sprinkles on, shall we? I'm going to kind of splash. Now, don't do this over a rug. That's the one time we make a mess, when we shouldn't be in a place where we do that. So we have to be careful of that splashing. Okay, I think we're done. I really enjoyed that. Too much fun. Happy Hippo. There we go. See you soon. Bye.